Amanda keeps making fun of me because I haven't flown my drone since we moved, so it's been like 2 months. So I finally got up early, I got out to the park, I'm gonna fly. It's like a really small park area, so hopefully there's some cool stuff to take pictures of. Here's some drone footage. So I'm not gonna lie, that was mildly disappointing. I thought the sunrise would be more colorful, but it was just a really cloudy, foggy, also muggy morning. But I did what I wanted to do. Maybe that'll help me get out here more often. So I really now need a cup of coffee, and there have been people that have been asking for a long time for a video about how I make coffee. So let's do that next. Okay, let's start with the stuff you need. Food scale, gooseneck kettle, favorite coffee mug, pour over coffee dripper, or you could use a Chemex. You're also gonna need coffee. This is not good coffee. This is decent coffee, probably not the best. Oh yeah, you also need coffee filters that fit into the Chemex or the drip coffee maker. You're gonna wanna fill your gooseneck with water. I use a gooseneck because it's more accurate when you're pouring into the drip coffee maker. A tea kettle just kinda goes all over the place. You can get more accurate when you start pouring it. Grab your food scale, coffee mug, and drip coffee maker. Now here's the key. When I first did this, I used to put the filter directly into the dripper. Not a great idea. You have to fold it at the seams first so that it doesn't break either while you're making it or while you're trying to take it out later. It just makes it easier. And yes, it did take me a while to toss that in there like that. I've been practicing though. So when I add my coffee, I typically do a 15:1 ratio, which means 15 grams of water to 1 gram of coffee. Typically, I'll do about 20 grams of coffee, and in that, I'll put 200 grams of water. That's why I have the food scale, so it's as precise as possible because my eyeball is just not very good, especially when you have the dripper on top and you can't see what's going on inside. Just makes it better. Now, when you're pouring the water in, slow circles so that you hit everything and give it a minute to bloom, and then finish pouring, keep going in circles. After you're done, you should have a cup of coffee that noticeably tastes different than an old coffee maker that you used before. I like it. It's good. It's not amazing, but it's not bad. I haven't found a good local coffee roaster, so I think that's probably the next thing that I'm gonna have to do. So I had to look up what made a German roast different from most other roasts, and I guess it's the odors of the coffee. Und it's the odors which we will obey. Probably gonna cut that out. So this video took a complete and total turn. I didn't necessarily know what I was gonna do today, but right after I finished filming the coffee, I got an email with this month's electric bill. I don't know if they're intentionally trying to swindle people here in Florida, but our electric bill in this apartment is 3 times as much as our electric bill in a much larger house built in the year 1900 with 4 to 5 air conditioners running constantly all day long at a temperature of 68 degrees, cooling the entire house all day and all night during the summer with similar temperatures. It's been like 90 here every single day, similar to what it is up there. It cost me $100 in Massachusetts in a home built 120 years ago with absolutely no insulation. In an apartment, I believe this was probably built in like the 80s. I'm just gonna come out and say it, I hate this place. I cannot wait to get out of here. But the fact that it's costing me almost $300 for the electric bill for AC, it's driving me crazy. So I'm about to do something that honestly and truly I didn't ever think I was gonna have to do in Florida. I have to put plastic on all the windows, and especially this gigantic porch door, because if you stand next to it, it's as hot as it is outside. I don't even know why they put a door here. They might as well just take the patio door down because it's not stopping anything from coming in. There's no insulation at the windows. I'm pretty sure they're like single pane. I don't even know if they're made of glass. They might just be made of plastic or screen. So I'm gonna try this and see if it works, because paying that much money every single month to cool a house to 70 degrees is making me absolutely crazy. This is much smaller than our house, which cost a third the amount with no insulation. I hate this place. We only have 7 months until we move. Hopefully we get to buy a house. If this market doesn't change, I don't know what's gonna happen. You brought me some food? What'd you bring me?
I have to... The food is really
Soggy bread. And soggy french fries. Thanks, Miles. Thanks for thinking of me. Chicken nugget.
Oh, you're sealing up the windows?
I'm sealing everything.
Why?
Because our electric bill is 3 times as much as when we had double the house.
Why?
Because this place sucks. Unbelievable. Dude, look how much air there is.
Oh my god.
It's insane. It's like the door shouldn't even be there. It should just be wide open.